Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Saratoga water subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, if you want to cancel your Saratoga water subscription, you need to visit on their official website. Why I'm saying this thing? Because there is only one method by which you can cancel your club membership. That is, like, you need to contact with their customer support team. And how you can contact, basically you need to visit on their official website, and in the very bottom side there is a page like contact us page. Okay, you can see at very bottom side contact us page. Okay, so you just need to simply tap on contact us and you will get their phone number, and once you get connected you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your water subscription or club membership, and they will cancel your membership. Okay, this is the only way and there is no other way. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.